Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have the Allure beauty box, so let's get into it and check it out. Beauty box comes out monthly. It is $23. We usually have about 5 to 6 products in here. I think they say we're going to get 3 full size and it's going to have a value of more than $100. The last few have been really awesome. We went through a time there where we were like, meh, but the last few have been really good. So here's hoping that holds. When we open it up, that's what it looks like on the inside. We have our paperwork that will tell us a little bit about each of these goodies. I see a Tula right on top. I know a lot of people like the Tula products. If you hear a low rumbling, sorry about that. People next door are having 2 huge trees taken down. I'm kind of sad about that. This is the March box. I think I'm getting good and caught up. I have a little, oops, I have a little card in here that says Reader's Choice Awards 2022. Scan the card starting February 15th to cast your ballot by March 29th. So I guess I can go online and vote for my favorites. Right out of the box, I have the Tula Skincare Signature Glow Refreshing and Brightening Face Mist. That is what that looks like. You guys know, if it says brightening immediately, I'm on alert because so often brightening means products I can't use because anything like vitamin C or retinols or just any of the things that tend to brighten one's face, while they brighten it, they make it bright red and slightly rashy. Just for me. If you are new to the channel, I have super sensitive skin. If you are not new to the channel, I'm sure you are wiki tired of hearing me say that. This is 3.51 fluid ounces. I'm sure it is full size. And it says, some facial mists come out so fast they feel like power washes. Remember when I had that power wash one on here? But Tula's Fine Spray is perfectly delicate. It does everything you'd want a facial mist to do, delivering a boost in the radiance department with every spritz, thanks to hydrating and brightening ingredients without disturbing makeup. It says it's cooling going on, which also makes it refreshing during 3 p.m. slumps or on hot days. And it has a $34 value. So right away, this has covered the price of your box plus $10. So that is what it looks like, and has little shaker balls inside. Let's take a second with the ingredients. Yeah, this has got all kinds of citruses in it and lactic acid, and you know what guys, I have so many mists that I'm gonna go ahead and set this aside. I just realized I only put my lip liner on. I did not put my lipstick on. I'm gonna look in here and be sure there isn't one before I put on one of my own. Right, no lipsticks. I'm gonna go with my old standby, which I keep up here, and I will tell you guys because so many of you comment on it. It is the Ciate, the one with all the glitter in it. Oh, I'm not sure I can read it. I think it says it's Apollo, but it's the one with the glitter on it. I love this color. I think it shows up so well for taping especially. I think it has just the right amount of glitter in it, so it looks like you're having fun, but it's not too over the top. I love it. All right, back to the box. Next out, I have, oh, it's a cute little Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, dry to normal sensitive skin. I will probably try this, except for my daughter is traveling, and is this, yeah, this is only 1 fluid ounce. This might be perfect for her on the trip they're getting ready to take. This isn't one of the products that they've talked about on the inside. A lot of times they put an ad on the back and we actually get what's in the ad as a sample, and that's what this is. Reinforce sensitive skin's moisture barrier with Cetaphil cleansers. So there's a gentle skin cleanser and a daily facial cleanser. I don't know if they put each in different boxes, but I got the gentle one, which I kind of feel like is a sign saying, Kathrin, try it. So I'll probably try it. Okay, next out we have another tiny, this is a tiny little sample. Look how little he is. I mean, that's my finger next to it for reference. It is Origins. It's the oil-free energy boosting gel moisturizer. So it has a lot going on for it. This is a tiny 5 ml. Let's see what the paperwork says. This has been the weirdest day. The people next door, like I said, had a couple of really big trees taken down. That's what that looks like. And they started at 7:30 in the morning, and we're in a pretty tight neighborhood here. It was very loud. And with so many of us working from home, it added a degree of difficulty. Packed with caffeine from coffee beans and herbal ginseng, this is one zippy moisturizer. Caffeine helps increase circulation, which helps decrease puffiness and generally makes your skin look less dull. And it's an antioxidant, meaning it can play a role in protecting your skin from environmental damage. Here, it's delivered in the form of a gel moisturizer with a bright citrus scent, a perfect wake-up call each morning. If it were full-sized, it would have a $32 value. This says that full size is 50 ml, so we have 1/10 of that. So this is a $3.20 value. Reaching in next, I have a Brioche Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Shampoo. Ooh, that sounds intriguing. Micro exfoliating. I guess it follows the same lines as that Christophe Robin scalp shampoo scrub that has all the salts in it. I love that. I have 1 ounce or 50 ml of this, and it says, calling this a shampoo doesn't do it justice. Sure, the sulfate-free Best of Beauty award-winning formula cleanses and smells heavenly. You guys know I count on that with my shampoo stuff, like mint. But it's also a very pampering scalp treatment. It hydrates with coconut oil while gently exfoliating to remove product buildup and dead skin along with flakes. The calming scent comes from the peppermint and spearmint essential oils, which are a soothing treat for overlooked scalps. This would be a $42 value if it were full size. Let's see if I can see what full size is. I think it says 8 ounces, and we have 1 ounce. So this is still about 5 1/4. All right, they talked about the heavenly scent. Let's see if we think that's true. I always say, with my willingness to try hair products, I'm willing to try almost anything that seems like it's going to be right for my hair, but it has to smell good. Oh, it's very micro exfoliating. Yeah, this is, I compared it to the Christophe Robin salt scrub. That's not fair because this is almost like a fine face exfoliant. It's super fine scrubbies. Oh, they are right. This does smell very nice, just minty. That's all it is minty, like spearmint. It smells good. I will give this a try. I don't really have like dry scalp, but still, I love to try all hair things. Okay, next out we have Shani Darden. This is a Best of Beauty also, Allure 2020, I think it says. Retinol Reform Regeneration AHA Serum. That is what that looks like. I will set this aside too. You guys know I don't use actually retinol or AHA products. This is 0.3 fluid ounces. That is what it looks like. A little, actually, pump top. Does better with my shirt, I think. No matter what question arises about our editor's skin, how do you get it so clear? How do you deal with lines? What about hyperpigmentation? The answer is usually a resounding retinol. The skincare wonder is the star of this jellied serum, a Best of Beauty Award winner created by celebrity facialist Shani Darden. It's the rare retinol formula that is effective yet gentle, boosting its key ingredients with the line smoothing alpha hydroxy acids while cushioning it in soothing, hydrating ones such as aloe, glycerin, and rosemary leaf extract. If this was full-sized, it would have an $88 value, and full-sized is just 1 fluid ounce, and we have 1/3 of that. So even this little one is still $29 and change. Technically, this little fella pays for your box too. I'll pass it along. I was gonna say and last, but there was something tucked behind this. BU Caffeine Eye Cream, Firm and Brighten. Now I have a little more play in my eyes. Believe it or not, right under my eyes, less sensitive than right here on my cheeks. This is like a shot of espresso. This subtly illuminating eye cream with depuffing caffeine wakes up under eyes even on sleepy mornings. It feels cooling on the skin and a lovely sensation in the morning. And after sinking in, it makes the eye area feel firmer and more hydrated. That is really interesting. It has a $25 value and it is full-sized. Well, let me check out the ingredients and make sure I can use it, but that sounds delightful. Totally use this. That is what it looks like on the inside, bragging about its little caffeine. Anything feel better than a nice new eye serum that really sinks in and just makes everything firm and moisturized? I tend to get so dry under my eyes in the winter. I didn't used to have that problem. I think it might be age related. But this is definitely a serum because the minute I started rubbing it in, it turned almost into like a water feel. It has virtually no scent. And I'll just leave it sit there for a minute while I do the last thing and we'll see how well it absorbs. And last out of the box, we have Blink Ultra Volume Tubing Mascara. I will definitely try this. You guys know I love the Thrive Cosmetics mascara. It's my absolute favorite, and it's a tubing mascara, and that is one of the reasons I love it. One of the things, other than the fact that it gives me the best volume in a mascara that I've ever gotten lengthwise, because I have stubby, straight little eyelashes, and I don't know, if that helps. But it just really, it's the first thing that's ever given me any volume like that. But also, I love that when I go to wash it off, I can just first splash my face with water and take my fingers and kind of just a couple of times across my eyes and then rinse, and the tubing just comes off. And I never have raccoon eyes under my eyes anymore. I like that almost as well as the long lashes that it gives me. I think it's an amazing side effect. So I will absolutely try a new tubing mascara. What's the point of wearing mascara if it winds up on your lid or smudges? This is a rhetorical question, and one you don't need to worry about with Blink's Best of Beauty award-winning mascara. This jet black formula is made with tubing technology, and if you haven't tried a tubing mascara, you're in for a treat. Tiny polymers wrap around each lash, more like a temporary extension than a mascara, for a flake and smudge-free finish with tons of volume. I don't disagree. It has a $26 value. It has a slight, I mean, I don't even know that I can get it so that you can see it. It has a very slight curve to it, but it's just a nice little floofy brush. I think the one in my Thrive, and you would think I would know this because I use it every day, is one of the plasticky ones, which I tend to make less of a mess with, but I will absolutely try this. Okay, that was the Allure box for March 2022. What do you think? I don't think it quite has the razzmatazz of the ones that we have been getting, but if you don't have sensitive skin and you can use all of this, the value's definitely there. We have the Tula Signature Glow Face Mist. It looks really nice if it's something you can use. We have the Blink Tubing Mascara. Can't wait to try that. The Brioche Scalp Revival Charcoal kind of scrubby shampoo. Also very good. The Shani, and I'm assuming it's Shani Darden Retinol Serum. The BU Caffeine Eye Cream. The Origins Ginseng Gel Moisturizer, and our cute little sample of the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, which is great for a girl with sensitive skin. So this was this month's Allure box. Let me know below if you get Allure, if these are the products that you received. I have heard from you guys that they have been doing more and more variations lately, so let me know below what you got. Thank you so much for coming by. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here to sit through the rumble of the tree truck next door. I hope you have a great day. It's starting to be spring and it's light out there later now. It's making me happy. I hope it's making you happy too. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon. Bye guys.